Why do 90% of Roblox beginners get stuck on scripting? It's not about talent, it's about knowing where to look. Let's unlock the secret together. First, head to the Roblox Creator Hub website. Think of it as your Roblox toolbox. Click on the scripting section and follow the Get Started guide. It's like a friendly GPS for learning to code. You'll start by setting up your first script in Roblox Studio using the print function, which simply says hello in the output window. Step by step, you'll learn about variables. They're like game memory. Functions, your own tiny robots doing tasks. And control flow, if statements and loops, which help your game make decisions and repeat actions. Explore the API reference when you're curious about changing a part's color or making things move. Pro tip: in Roblox Studio, Carl or command-click any function to jump straight to its documentation. And if you're stuck, check the community forums. Everyone started somewhere. Dive in, experiment, and watch your skills grow.